Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the electronic circuits to multiple choice question and answer from the topic bistable multivibrator and Smith trigger. So in the previous video we discussed the two multivibrator, astable and monostable. Okay, so this is the bistable multivibrator and Smith trigger circuit. Okay, so if you want to learn the remaining electronic circuits to MCQ videos from the unit 1, so I will give the link in the description box. You can see, or in my channel there is a separate playlist is created for the electronic circuits to MCQ, then signals and system MCQ, digital signal processing MCQ. So you go and study. So we will see the question. Bistable multivibrator has dash. So bistable multivibrator has two quasi-stable state, one stable, one quasi, two stable state. So two stable state is the answer. So already you know the stable multivibrator has two quasi-stable states. Monostable has one quasi, one stable. Bistable multivibrator has two stable states. Okay. Then which one is the bistable multivibrator circuit? So already you know the circuit diagram. This is the stable. Okay, no trigger. This is the monostable. Only one trigger is given in one transistor base. This is the bistable. So B is the answer. This is the bistable circuit. This one is the Smith trigger circuit. So the next question, bistable circuit is also known as dash. It's a latch, gate, flip-flop, bidirectional circuit. The bistable circuit, it is also known as flip-flop. That is the bistable circuit, it is acting like a SR flip-flop. So it is also known as flip-flop. Then the next one, multi-vibrator in which the circuit is stable in either state and can be flipped from one state to another by an external trigger is termed as dash. Okay, so there are three multivibrators there. Astable, in astable, no stable state. In monostable, one stable, one quasi. In bistable, two stable state. So here you read the question. The multivibrator in which the circuit is stable in either state and can be flipped from one state to another by an external trigger. It is termed as bistable. So in bistable, always the circuit is in any one of the stable state, either stable state 1 or stable state 2. Okay. If we want to switch the stable state 1 to stable state 2 means we have to give some external trigger. Okay, only after giving the trigger only the switching takes place. Similarly, the second state to first state change, it is also happening after another trigger pulse of reset. This is the set pulse or reset pulse. So this is the bistable multivibrator. The next one, a multivibrator is an electronic circuit used to implement dash, oscillator, timer, flip-flop, all of the mention. All of the mention. So in multivibrator, there are three types there. A stable multivibrator, you know, it is used to generate square waveform. So that's why it is used as an oscillator. Then the second monostable, it is used to produce the delay. So it is used as a timer. Then third one, bistable multivibrator, it is used as a flip-flop. So all three is the correct one. So used to implement the three things. Okay. Then bistable multivibrator is a dash, free running oscillator, blocking oscillator, triggered oscillator, sawtooth oscillator. It's a triggered oscillator. Bistable is it's not a free running. Astable is a free running. It's not a blocking oscillator. It's a triggered oscillator. Why it is triggered means after giving trigger pulse only it will generate a state change will occur. We will get some waveform at the output. Okay. Then next one, trigger pulses are essential for the operation of a bistable multivibrator because what is the reason? There are no RC timing circuit. The circuit cannot switch between two states automatically. Transistor operation is controlled by trigger pulse. All of the above. All of the above. In bistable, there is no RC timing circuit. So you see the circuit diagram. So here you see there is no capacitor coupling between one output to another input. Okay. So because of that RC timing circuit, okay, no RC timing circuit. So the circuit, it cannot switch between two state automatically. always the circuit is in either stable state 1 or stable state 2. By the application of trigger only state change will occur. Okay, so all of the above is the answer. Then the next one, which of these statement is true? A stable multivibrator can be used for generating square wave. Yes, it's a true. Bistable multivibrator can be used for storing binary information. Yes, that is bistable. It is working as a flip-flop. Flip-flop means, it is used to store binary information, zeros and one. So both the statement is correct. So 1 and 2 is the correct. Okay. Then next one, what are the different names of bistable multivibrator? So the other name of bistable multivibrator is Eccles-Jordan circuit, trigger circuit, scale off to toggle circuit, flip-flop, binary. These are all the other names of bistable multivibrator. Okay, just remember it. Next one, what are the applications of bistable multivibrator? So in timing circuit, it is used as a frequency divider. Okay, then it is used in counting circuits, in computer memory circuit. All these are all the applications of bistable. Next one, narrow pulses with adjustable mark to space ratio can be obtained with the square input signal by using which of the following circuit? So the narrow pulses with adjustable mark to space ratio can be achieved by the monostable multivibrator. Okay. Then the next one, what are the other names of speed up capacitor? So in multivibrator, we are using the speed up capacitor in order to speed up the transition. Okay. So the other name of speed up capacitor is commutating capacitor or transpose capacitor. So which one is a speed up capacitor means? So you see the diagram in the circuit diagram. So you see across the resistor R1, we are connecting the capacitor C1. Similarly here C2. So this capacitor is called as speed up. Similarly in monostable, here you see across the resistor R1, this C1. This is the speed up capacitor. But in a stable, there is no speed up capacitor. Okay. So the speed up capacitor, what is the other name means? Commutating capacitor or transpose capacitor. This capacitor, it is used to increase that is transition time. Okay. Then the next question, dash is defined as the time interval during which the conduction transfers from one transistor to another. It is called as a transition time. So transition time is nothing but the time interval during which the conduction transfers from one transistor to another. Then next question, state the role of commutating capacitor in bistable multivibrator. So commutating means speed up capacitor. So the name itself, the answer is there in order to speed up the transition. So it reduces the transition time without affecting the stable state. Okay, it is the correct. That is in order to speed up the process. So in order to speed up the process means we will get the square waveform in a minimum time. Okay, so it reduces the transition time. If the transition time reduces means we will get the sudden change from the low to high or high to low we will get. Then the next question, Smith trigger. The Smith trigger is basically a stable multivibrator, monostable, bistable oscillator, bistable. Smith trigger, it is not an oscillator, it's a converter. It converts the slowly varying signal, sine wave, triangular wave into the square waveform. So, and the Smith trigger is basically it's a modified form of bistable. Okay, Smith trigger, it's a modified form of bistable multivibrator. Then the Smith trigger, it converts a slowly varying waveform into dash. So it converts a slowly varying waveform into square waveform. Okay, it's the important thing. Then the next one, what is the important application of Smith trigger? So it converts the slowly varying signal into square waveform. So it is used as a squaring circuit and it is used as an amplitude comparator. Okay, it is used as an amplitude comparator and it is used as a squaring circuit. These are all the applications of Smith trigger. Okay, then which circuit converts irregular shaped waveform into regular shaped waveform? Okay, Smith trigger, voltage limiter, comparator, none of the mentioned. Smith trigger. The Smith trigger, it converts the irregular shaped waveform into regular shaped waveform. The next one, what happens if the threshold voltage are made longer than the noise voltage in Smith trigger? Okay, so if the threshold voltage is longer than the noise voltage means there is a elimination of the false output transition will happen. Okay, the false output transition is eliminated. Then the next one, in hysteresis with the hysteresis voltage is equal to dash upper and lower threshold voltage. The hysteresis width or hysteresis voltage is nothing but, so this is the transfer characteristics of Smith trigger, this graph. Transfer characteristics means the graph drawn between input voltage as well as output voltage. Okay, in this hysteresis graph, this is the LTP, lower threshold point, this is the UTP, upper threshold point. So the difference between upper threshold point and lower threshold point, this is called as a hysteresis voltage. So here the hysteresis voltage is nothing but difference between upper threshold and lower threshold. Okay. Then what is transfer characteristics in Smith trigger? So the transfer characteristics, it is nothing but the graph of output voltage against the input voltage. Okay, input versus output graph. It is called as a transfer characteristics. Okay, so these are all the some of the questions from the bistable multi-vibrator and Smith trigger circuit. Okay, so thanks for watching my channel and please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you want to learn the remaining MCQ video, I will give the link in the description box. You can see, or in my channel, you go and search in playlist. So there is a separate playlist is created for signals and system, DSP and EC2. Okay, so thank you. We will see in the next video.